learn English online at Base Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start! Get plus to plus infinitive.
When get is followed by a full infinitive, it often has the meaning to manage doing something or to have an opportunity to do something.
I think you'll get to speak fluent English if you want to apply for this position.
In this sentence, the use of the infinitive with get expresses to manage doing something.
She gets to go to the concert tonight in the goal to meet new managers.
In this one is also the same meaning as the previous, to manage doing something.
As soon as I get to see the manager again, I'll tell him about your situation.
Here, we express an opportunity.
You have to get to apply. The opportunity knocks only once, not twice.
In this case, we are talking about to manage doing something.
Although we're neighbors for a long time, I've never got to know her.
In this last one, we express an opportunity.
The use of get is getting to be crystal clear.
Thank you for the compliment. We have another use left.
Let's discover the last one.